Mine came about from a trauma carrying my grandson upstairs, but I stepped up 2 steps, dropped him because the pain was that intense. And then 6 weeks later, I decided to seek help because I could barely walk. It was difficult because I couldn't get on with my day-to-day activities. I struggled in work, so I was constantly limping from being in pain. From there, I referred myself to physio because we can self-refer through work. I can walk again. I couldn't even get in and out of a car. I can do that now. I can up and down stairs without pain. I wasn't sleeping because the pain was there constantly. Now I just wear them in the morning for half an hour. I have had a spell for about 6 weeks where I didn't need to wear them at all. I had no pain whatsoever. And then as soon as I felt it twinging again, I wear them again in the morning. I would say try them. If you've tried physio and you've tried knee brace and you're not for injections, I'm not a candidate for surgery, so I didn't have a choice. It was either live with the pain I was or try this. So I would say try it. You've nothing to lose.